everyone, my name is Komal Kanherkar. I am from Sri Naneshwar Maskuji Burumli, Science and Arts College, Shegaon, and today I am here to talk about email bombing. So, in the email bombing, we will discuss what is an email bombing, how to detect it, what is DOS attack, methods of email bombing, and how to prevent from email bombing. So first of all, we will discuss what is an email bombing. That is the introduction of email bombing. So email bombing is a very malicious act in which a large numbers of email messages are sent to a single email address in short period of time. The purpose of an email bomber is typically to overflow a user's inbox. For example, if you are using Gmail, so Gmail offers 15 GB of space to you. Now what you do might be using that space may be used for a Google Drive or sending emails. Now what is the attack to do? Attacker obtain your email address, executed source code and bam, malicious emails flooded into your email inbox at one go, filling up your storage so you cannot even send any emails and you cannot even receive any emails. That is called email bombing. An email bomb is a denial of service attack against an email server designed to make email accounts unusable or cause network downtime. An email bombing is often done from a single system in which one user sends hundreds or thousands messages to another user. That is called email bombing. An email bomb is a denial of service attack against an email server designed to make email accounts unusable or cause network downtime. Now, what is denial of service attack? It is a type of cyber attack on a service and is typically accomplished by flooding the targeted machine or resource with superfluous requests in an attempt to overload systems and prevent some or all legitimate requests from being fulfilled. That's why you cannot send anything, you cannot receive anything. When a single host is attacked, it's called denial of service attack. And when the multiple hosts attack simultaneously, it's called distributed denial of service attack. Now, how to detect an email bombing? The only thing is simple. If your inbox is full, you cannot sending an email and you cannot even receiving an emails. That is called email bombing. And malicious email flood into your email inbox at one go, filling up play storage so you cannot sending an email and you cannot receiving an emails. By sending email with a script, it is possible to send several or thousands messages per minute. That is called email bombing. Now, what are the methods of email bombing? There are three methods of email bombing: mass mailing, list linking, and zip bombing. Starting with mass mailing. Mass mailing is sending n numbers of emails at one go to your email inbox. List linking, subscribing to many others newsletters and all that which are very unnecessary to you by the attacker and flooding your email inbox. It all this promotion and social and all that stuff etc. And in the zip bombing, zip file is sent to you by some other person you might be knowing, which is actually not. You open that zip file and bam, zip file execute a code and n numbers of emails are flooded into your email inbox. These are the methods of email bombing. Now, how to prevent from email bombing? Number one and most important thing is use an antivirus and firewall. The next thing is never reply to this email at all. People make a mistake of doing that, due to which this is trigger more. Number third is using SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And these are some filter applications for Windows: Spam Killer, Cactus Spam Filter, Spam Buster, and Email Chomper. Also, in Gmail, you have two options: starred and unstarred. You can star your important mails, and simply you can delete unstart mails. These are the prevention technique from email bombing. That's all about email bombing. Thank you.